Hello everyone, my name is Yulin. Today I will talking about Earth observation science. This presentation divided into 4 parts. Let's start from introduction. The definition of the observation science on this slide is too complicated to understand. To make it simpler, the technology just turns it to this picture into accurate and reliable measurements and information. The second section is the significance and application. Earth's observation of space has demonstrated and its growing scientific, social, economic, and political importance. By contributing to a better understanding and regular monitoring of the Earth. To be more specific, remote sensing technology can help people to predict the weather, plan the land, manage the marine environment, forecast the climate change, handle the emergency, and ensure the safety of the citizen, and so on. The third section is the remote sensing progress. Here, you can see the whole process ranging from data collecting to analyzing. To start with, researchers need to find the problem and its requirement. Then, they collect images, data from satellites, airborne, and other approach like drones to acquire data. Next, the raw materials need to be pre-processed by software like QGIS, ArcGIS, and ENVI. These processed images are used to visualize spatial data, to review and understand spatial distribution and relations. In the next step of image enhancement, image processors need to adjust the range and distribute the brightness value. In this image, as we can see, show the difference between processing and post-processing pictures. Then we have extraction of information. Actually, the main purpose of this section is to transform to proceed information into different types of map. Broadly speaking, there have two kinds of maps, reference maps and thematic maps. The reference map emphasizes the location of the objects in the world, also shows variety of the world, and primarily display physical objects. The thematic map, on the other hand, emphasizes attributes. Typically, a thematic map will display information pertaining to a single subject and will emphasize the spatial patterns. If we drill down into the thematic map kind, they have two types of thematic map, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative map shows the nominal data and focus on the distribution that nominal information. The quantitative map, on the other hand, shows numerical data and focus on the variation of that numerical information from place to place. The next step, changing direction, is a method of understanding how given an area has changed between two or more time periods. This picture displays the difference Victorian stage between 2005 and 2007. Last but not least, GIS is the final step. The benefit from customized GIS system that meet the requirement of clients, that provide to relevant data, database, and systems. After the series of operations, most of the problem associated with GIS analysis can be solved. These are the reference of this presentation. Thank you so much for listening.